Hello guys. I will now talk to you like this, and um, what's happening is that we see the Mars project explode, the rocket for the Mars project. We see, we notice that Mars M&Ms is the first candy in space. It's the first candy in space. And we noticed that yesterday, June 18th, I painted M&M, and I said that this is art that becomes truth. You see? Now we see something here happening. Mars here, okay? We see M. You see? I'm just telling you. It's so obvious here what's happening. And it is. And it's getting out of control. This is so obvious. I don't know what to say. So again, I repeat, I painted M&M. You see also, yeah, whatever. I painted M&M on June 18th, 2025. The day after, June 19th, Mars, the SpaceX rocket, explodes, going to space. What about space? The first candy in space is Mars M&M. You see the keyword Mars here? It's Mars is the owner of this. You see that it has a linguistic interconnectivity, you see? And here's the thing. When I painted this, I told you this is going to become true. I told you. So this is my painting. Wait. So I'm the only one in the world that can do this, okay? That's until anyone else can say, you have to say this is going to become true. And if it will, then I mean, this one was very obvious. It's very obvious, I told you. Then we had another very obvious one, was 2 paintings back. I cut into the network, and then 4 days later electricity stopped in Europe. You remember? Oh, you believed it wasn't real, right? Or it is real. So it's art that becomes truth. And I don't know what's happening here. There is some kind of censoring, there is denial of what's happening, because it's a phenomena that no one has seen before, and so it's hard to relate to. It's hard to know what's happening here. And it is a result of me going me researching a lot, and knowing how things work, basically. I know how the world works. And when I painted this, so this is a video. You can, I will leave a link to the video. But when I painted that, What did I do? I said, I told you a lot of details of how this works. Maybe I didn't. I don't remember. But this is super obvious. Just like two paintings back, super obvious. It's like bang, you know? Boom, you know? And like the previous one was me cutting into the network with, it was paint, right? I painted it. So this is just, you know, it's just, there's not even there's not even a justice system for someone like me, because I'm not really doing anything. I just did a painting, you know. But here's the thing: predicting the future is impossible. So what is happening here? It's something else. I overcame time a little bit, as I like to say, which means that there are new degrees of freedom, new degrees of danger popping up. Things are just, it's just evolving new things, you know. It's funny. It's funny, all of this, you know. And it's so obvious. It's so obvious what's happening. So M&M is what I painted. It is the name of the painting, and it is the first candy in space. And now SpaceX rocket explodes the day after on June 19th. Mars project. Mars project. Mars. It's like, you see, what did I do here? It's a Mars project. I did a little Mars project here. It's also a Mars project, you could say. But mine was a day before, and when I paint this, I tell you something is going to happen here. But it's not. Here's the thing: I've been seeing this for quite some time. I decided to paint it. It's not that I know that, oh, let's calculate when something is going to happen. No, because for me, from my perspective, it feels like I am the trigger for this. That I am, that I'm triggering this. Do you get it? And so, yeah. So this is not predicting that I'm doing. I don't think you can find anyone that's better on predicting things than me. I don't think so. And what am I going to tell you? I'm going to tell you this is not predicting. I'm not predicting. It's more like I am a cause. It is what was it called? Uh, it's a bit late. Mm, whatever. So yeah, I can do these things. That's the thing. I am able to do these things. Do you get it? It's for real. It's boom, you know? Boom. And it's amazing. Don't you think? It's obvious. You have to see that this is obviously connected. And if you doubt that it's connected compared to two paintings back, that's really obvious also. I cut into the network 4 days later. So I don't paint that much also. So I painted on April 24th and then April 28th. The network in Europe broke, 50 million people. Okay, so here's the thing. You could ask me to stop painting also, but then you have to ask me also, please, can you stop painting? Or please, just, but then it means that you have admitted that I'm able to do this, right? And the world has to admit that. And maybe I would stop then, right? Maybe so. For me, it feels like I'm engaging like this world. It's like the collective unconscious, and it doesn't like me. It's basically you guys that don't like me because it's the collective unconscious, and the collective unconscious is doesn't like this, I think, because there's something else living there, right? The shadow and the denial of things is living there, and it wants to have it like that. Anyhow, um, I'm able to do these things as usual, and this one was uh, really obvious, and I don't know if we need to look, or people here that actually look at this now. I would say that maybe this means that it's final, maybe this was it. I see these things as chemical reactions, yeah. And maybe this was it. There's a certain energy buildup and a release, and then, this living reality. And the result was this, right? And so, what kind of people don't like this? It's those that they have built their lives around an imagined safety. Okay, because what I do is that I introduce danger. This is what I do is basically dangerous, okay? So I introduce danger. Let's have some more danger, basically. And that's pretty much against how people want to have it. So a new dimension of movement, freedom, which I have that. Well, that means a new dimension of danger, basically. And I know how it works also. It's a system of chaos getting closer to initial conditions from this organism, something like that, and to this organism. And then somehow a butterfly can change things. This is the butterfly effect in conscious consciously doing it like that. And this is not new to me. So I don't know what to say, I don't know if I should, like, maybe I don't know how severe this censoring is on YouTube, Maybe because it's so absurd that it's not reaching out, what I'm doing. For it's I didn't know that I would be so good at this, okay? I am really good at this, and I didn't know that I would be. But now when I am, it feels so weird. I feel invisible, because I'm so good at it. So it's weird, okay? Um, so yeah, and yeah, I guess that it will continue with this super. My paintings will be like this. It will be really effective, and obvious, and show that the world is not what people believe it to be, and there should be people in actuality. There should be a lot of people listening to me and learning from me because I have things to learn. The problem is that if that doesn't happen, I will become a mythology, and I don't want that. I don't want to become a mythology. Like, I want to just talk and people listen, Not that, you know what I mean? But there is a censoring, and it's irritating, to be obvious, to be clear with you. But um, I don't think it has to be like that. I think, I mean, I know that the world is afraid, and yes, this is a new form of danger, as I said. But yeah, it should be known what's happening here. I actually think that people could be able to. In actuality, what I'm doing is very hard to do. Okay, so this painting here is very hard to do that I did here. It's extremely hard to do this painting. It's extremely hard to do this, but at the same time, for me personally, it's simple. But the way there, the way to be able to draw that is a long, long road that is. I don't know. I don't know if anyone can do that road. I don't know if anyone can do that. As it is right now, it's just internet is pretending that I'm not doing anything in particular different here. The internet is pretending that this is this is nothing, But the truth is that I know what I'm doing. I know when I paint this that it's going to become true. I know that because it's a um, I'm so at tune with things. I'm so much in tune. So I know that it's almost like a control signal, my painting or me speaking about a certain thing. But for whatever reason, I don't know, people are, yeah. Anyhow, amazing. I managed to do it again, right? And if it's the first time you see me here, um, I'm I'm writing a theory of everything also. And the funny thing is that my theory of everything doesn't really have to do with this. It has to do with fractals. Yes, this is like fractal reality. And yes, you could say that the theory of everything has to do with some kind of fractal world, fractal reality. And you can see what I do here is a testament to the validity in my reasoning. I'm thinking on my own, on myself, for myself, and it is successful. My thoughts are valid, basically. And and this theory of everything, I'm writing it so that it is for those that are skeptics. It is for those that are critical, and you can the point is to show that the theory of everything is something simple. It's actually like when someone hear about the theory of everything, you imagine that it would be something that only a few can grasp. But what I'm going to propose is a theory of everything that is simple for anyone to grasp. And it should be simple because the Aristotelian first principle, matter, is a simple thing. It is a simple thing. So that will I'm doing that. It's super hard. Anyhow, guys, um, this is valid the day after. So M&M is made by Mars. M&M is the first candy in space according to Mars Incorporated. Mars, you see? And then you have the Mars boom, the day after on the 19th. It's just a perfection, This is perfect. It's beautiful. Everything is in order. And this is what I'm doing is basically order out of chaos. Order ab chaos, I think it's called. There is a chaos, and it just turned into order. You get it? Via, you know, okay. Um, obvious stuff. See you guys.